Don't say he know Python, say this. In the world of programming, precision in language is as crucial as clean code. Just as a misplaced semicolon can break a script, a grammatical error can subtly undermine your professional communication. Many developers, aiming for clarity, fall into a common trap, using he know when they mean he knows. This seemingly small slip-up can make even the most brilliant coder appear less polished. Let's correct this common error and elevate your English, making your technical interactions as sharp as your debugging skills. Think of verb conjugations like compiler directives. They tell the program, or in this case the sentence, exactly how to behave. When referring to a third-person singular subject like he, she or it, the present tense verb needs an or is ending. So, he know is like an uncompiled function call. It doesn't quite execute correctly. The proper form, he knows, is the compiled executable version, ready to deliver the intended meaning flawlessly. This rule applies universally, whether you're discussing a senior engineer's expertise or a junior developer's progress. For instance, she develop algorithms is incorrect. The correct form is she develops algorithms. Similarly, it process data should be it processes data. Treating these grammatical rules with the same respect you give to syntax ensures your spoken and written English is as robust and error-free as the code you write. Mastering these small but significant details in English grammar can significantly impact how your technical contributions are perceived. Effective communication is the bridge between your innovative ideas and their successful implementation. If your grammar falters, it's like having a bug in your communication protocol, creating unnecessary friction and potential misunderstandings. Let's ensure that bridge is solid, well-constructed, and leads directly to shared understanding. Consider the verb to run. If you say, he run the server, it's like executing a script without the necessary permissions. It just doesn't achieve the intended outcome. The correct, powerful verb form is, he runs the server. This ensures the action is attributed correctly and the sentence operates with full authority, just as a well-defined function executes its task without errors. The same principle applies to verbs ending in sh, ch, s, x, or z. For these we add es in the third-person singular present tense. For example, he watched the code becomes, he watches the code. She fixed the bug transforms into she fixes the bug. These are not arbitrary rules. They are linguistic conventions designed for smooth pronunciation and clarity, much like consistent naming conventions improve code readability. Consistency is key, whether in your coding practices or your grammatical constructions. When you consistently apply the third-person singular s rule, your communication gains a professional sheen that mirrors the quality of your code. It demonstrates attention to detail, a trait highly valued in any technical field. Think of it as a small optimization that yields significant improvements in perceived competence. So, next time you're discussing a colleague's project or describing a system's function, remember this simple but powerful rule. Instead of saying he know Python, confidently state, he knows Python. This grammatical accuracy is not just about sounding correct. It's about conveying competence, clarity, and professionalism in every interaction. It's a small change that makes a big difference in how your message lands. By internalizing these grammatical nuances, you're not just improving your English. You're refining your ability to communicate complex technical ideas effectively. Just as debugging ensures your code runs smoothly, proper grammar ensures your message is received clearly and without distortion. It's an essential skill for anyone collaborating in or leading technical teams, ensuring that ideas flow as seamlessly as data through a network. Elevate your technical communication by mastering the essentials of English grammar. Remember, the difference between he know and he knows is a small step for grammar, but a giant leap for your professional clarity. Subscribe for more weekly lessons designed to make your technical English as precise and powerful as your code. Let's build better communication, one correct verb at a time.